Yes, sir. Hello, students. In the previous class, we discussed about some concepts regarding to the capacitor and also definition of equivalent capacitance and equivalent capacitor and also series combination, definition of series combination. Okay. What is series combination? The capacitors are said to be in series combination. They are connected end to end such that the potential difference across the combination is equal to the potential difference across each capacitor. Nothing but potential difference. Potential is divides. Potential divides in series combination. But charge on each capacitor is same. Charge is constant. Okay. These two are very important concepts while we derive the equation for a series combination of capacitor and also for while problem in the solving the problem. Okay. Now we discuss series combination. Question is like this: derive an expression for equivalent capacitance of two capacitor in series combination. Derive an expression equivalent capacitance when two capacitors are connected in series. Capacitance of two capacitors in series. Okay. This is very important relation for 5 months on your exam. Derive an expression for equivalent capacitance of two capacitors in series. If they ask two capacitor, you write two capacitor. If they ask three capacitors, you write three capacitors diagram in series. Okay. First, I just simply take two capacitors. First, we have to write the definition of series combination of capacitor. Series combination, the two capacitors are said to be in series. The two capacitors are said to be in series. They are end to end connected. They are end to end connected such that first point is potential difference across the combination is equal to potential difference across each capacitor is equal to sum of potential difference across each capacitor. That is V is equal to V1 plus V2. V is equal to V1 plus V2. Next point is charge on each capacitor is constant. Charge on each capacitor is constant. Okay, this is the definition of series combination. After that, we write a for series combination of capacitor. For series combination. This is first diagram. This is battery. Capacitor C1, capacitor C2. Charge of capacitor is same Q and Q. Total potential difference is V. Total potential difference is V. But potential difference across the combination is V1 and V2. V1 and V2. V1 and V2. And another capacitor, another equivalent circuit is this is battery. CS is the equivalent capacitance of capacitor in series. Potential is V. Charge is Q. Charge is V. This is the diagram. Okay. After that, you write the consideration. Let C1 and C2 are the two capacitors of capacitance. Let the two capacitors of capacitance, right now, let two capacitors of capacitance C1 and C2 are connected in series. Next point is V be the potential difference across the combination. Next, Q be the charge on each capacitor. Next is V1 and V2 be the potential difference across the capacitor C1 and C2 respectively. After that, we know that in series combination, potential device, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2. V is equal to V1 plus V2, call it as equation number 1. V is equal to V1 plus V2, call it as equation number 1. Next is we know that according to the definition of capacitance of capacitor, according to the definition of capacitance of capacitor, capacitance of capacitor. C is equal to Q divided by V. C is equal to Q divided by V. V is equal to what? It becomes V is equal to Q divided by C. V is equal to Q divided by C. Similarly, for capacitor 1, potential difference across V1 is the potential difference across C1 is potential difference across C1 is V1 is equal to Q, charge is same, divided by C1. V1 is equal to Q divided by C1. Call it as equation number 3. Similarly, V2 is the potential difference across C2. It means V2 is equal to Q divided by C2. V2 is equal to Q divided by C2. Call it as equation number 4. 1, 2. This one is 2. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in 1, 2 and 3 in 1. We get V is equal to Q divided by C1 plus Q divided by C2. Q is common take out, so V is equal to Q into 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2. Call it as equation number 4. Equation number 4. After that, we place an equivalent capacitor. That is, if the combination is replaced by an equivalent capacitor CS. If the combination is replaced by an equivalent capacitor of capacitance CS shown in figure 2. This is figure 2. This is equivalent capacitance CS equivalent capacitor of capacitance CS. Therefore CS is equal to Q divided by V. V is equal to Q divided by CS. Equation number 5. Charge on the capacitor, equivalent capacitor is Q, and potential difference across the equivalent capacitor is V. Therefore, CS is equal to Q divided by V. V is equal to Q divided by CS. Okay. After that, compare equation number 4 and 5. Compare equation number 4 and 5. Compare equation 4 and 5. We get Q divided by CS is equal to Q into 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2. Here Q2 get cancelled. 1 divided by CS is equal to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2. This is the equivalent expression for equivalent capacitance of capacitor when two capacitors are connected in series. After that, if they ask 3 capacitors are in series, diagram is like this. V1, V2, V3, Q, C1, C2, C3 plus minus potential difference is the equivalent capacitance CS, Q and battery potential is V, capacitance is CS. So if they ask, three capacitors are in series. Okay. Therefore, if three capacitors are in series, the equivalent capacitor 1 divided by CS is equal to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2 plus 1 divided by C3. Okay. If n number of capacitors are, if infinite number of capacitors are connected in series, therefore 1 divided by CS is equal to 1 divided by CS is equal to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2 plus 1 divided by C3 plus and so on 1 divided by Cn. N number of capacitors are connected in series. In general, n number of capacitors are connected in series. Therefore, 1 divided by Cs is equal to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2 plus 1 divided by C3 plus and so on 1 divided by Cn. Okay. After that, you write our statement. Written our statement. Note down the statement. One is the reciprocal of equivalent capacitance. The reciprocal of equivalent capacitance is equal to sum of reciprocal of individual capacitors. Sum of the reciprocal of equivalent capacitance in series combination. The sum of equivalent capacitance in series combination is equal to sum of reciprocal of individual capacitances. Sum of reciprocal of individual capacitances. Okay. In series combination, the reciprocal of equivalent capacitance is equal to sum of reciprocal of individual capacitance. Sum of reciprocal of individual capacitances. Up to this, they give 5 marks. Okay. First, you have to write the definition of series combination. After that, you write the diagram, two circuit diagram. One is for combination and another one is for if the combination is replaced by equivalent capacitance. After that, you write the consideration, that is C1 and C2 are the two capacitors are connected in a series of capacitance C1 and C2, and V1 and V2 is the potential difference across the each capacitor C1 and C2, and V is the potential difference across the combination, and Q is the charge on each capacitor. And in series combination, potential divides. We know that potential divides, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2. According to the definition of the capacitance of capacitor, we know that C is equal to Q divided by V. We want V is equal to Q divided by C. For V1 is the potential difference across C1. Therefore, V1 is equal to Q divided by C1. Similarly, V2 is equal to Q divided by C2. Substitute to equation number 1, we get V is equal to Q divided by C1 plus Q divided by C2. Q Q is common, take outside. Therefore, V is equal to Q into 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2. After that, we replace the combination. The series combination is replaced into equivalent capacitance of equivalent capacitor of capacitance CS. Therefore, V is equal to CS is equal to Q divided by V. We want VV is equal to Q divided by CS. Comparing the equations, therefore Q divided by CS is equal to Q into 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2. Q cancel. Remaining terms 1 divided by CS is equal to 1 divided by CS is equal to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2. That is the final answer for the equivalent capacitance of two capacitors are connected in series combination. If they ask three capacitors, 1 divided by CS is equal to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2 plus 1 divided by C3. In general, 1 divided by CS is equal to, if n number of capacitors are connected, 1 divided by CS is equal to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2 plus 1 divided by C3 plus and so on up to 1 divided by Cn. After that, in series combination, the reciprocal of equivalent capacitance is equal to sum of reciprocal of individual capacitances. Okay, this is complete derivation of series combination. After that, you note down the 2 points. This arrangement is used to get, note down the points. This arrangement is used to get small capacitances. This arrangement is used to get small capacitances from the capacitor of higher capacitances. This arrangement is used to get small capacitances from the capacitors of higher capacitances. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಡಿಬಹುದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಹೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, increase in the number of capacitors in series combination decreases its effective capacitance. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, if n identical capacitors of each capacitance C are connected in series, if n number of, this is very important, n number of identical capacitors of each capacitance C, each capacitance is C, connected in series, then CS is equal to, CS is the equivalent capacitance, CS is equal to C divided by N is the formula to calculate if N identical capacitors of same capacitance C connected in series. And the ratios of potential V1 divided by V2 is equal to C2 divided by C1. Ratios of potential V1 divided by V2 is equal to C2 divided by C1. And energy stored in series combination U is equal to, energy stored in series combination U is equal to U1 plus U2. That can be written as total is 1 divided by 2 Q into V, 1 divided by 2 Q into V. U is equal to 1 divided by 2 Q into V, that is equal to 1 divided by 2 Q into V1, charge is same, Q into V1 plus 1 divided by 2 Q into V. This is the formula to calculate energy stored in a capacitor in series combination. This is about complete information about the series combination of capacitors. Okay. In the next class we discuss parallel combination of capacitors. parallel combination of capacitors. Okay, thank you students.